Alright guys, we got a Honda Civic right here. This is a 2018. This is a Type R model. I just did this window deflector right here. I just finished installing it. Took me about 20 minutes, half an hour. Not bad. This is the original Honda from the dealer. Looks perfect, guys. No warp, no crack, no defect or anything. It's mint. Look at this. So stay tuned. We're gonna do one on the other side. Let's get started. And the tools you need: green tape, masking tape, a couple trim tools, a pick, scissors, brake clean, and then a fiber cloth. All right, so this is the kit I got from Honda. Here's the part number. Comes with 4 pieces. I'll open this one up already. The blue one is for the right side. The white one is for the left side. So I'm gonna do the blue one. This is the part number for the hardware right here. There's a tiny little push pin retainer, a bracket, 4 brackets, and then 4 of these wipes. I'm just gonna quickly give this a good wipe and then wipe the frame of the window. Alright guys, so first thing you do, we're just gonna grab this window molding here. We're just gonna line it up. See this little dot right here? And that dot, that's for the push pin retainer. So we're just gonna quickly line it up and put a mark right here with this tape. And then the other side, put a mark like that. And when you have that mark, grab your retainer bracket. This will hold and reinforce your window deflector. So tuck it in there. Tuck it in, just like that. Okay. It goes in between the frame and this weather strip where the window. Then, when that's done, we're gonna cut a little slit in the middle here. Get this double-sided tape to start. We're gonna peel it off when we're done. Okay, just out a little bit like that. Same thing on this side. Okay, so starting on this, from here, line her up. I'm just gonna temporarily hold this tape up like that and go to the other side. Just quickly hold it down and we'll adjust everything when everything is good. Okay, so move that bracket down here to align the hole. Same thing on this side, move the bracket to align the hole. Make sure the window deflector kind of flush with the window frame here. Okay, and then the body line of this molding line up with the body line of the window frame. It looks good to me. So let's peel off this paper right here. That side's good, and then this side, peel that off. And I peeled off the edge already. That tape is peeled, so give a little bit of a push. Okay. You can feel the frame and the plastic deflector that it looks flush, and that's what we want. And then the bolt hole right here lined up. Okay, same thing on this side, lined up. Let's do the back quick here. Get a good wipe of the alcohol wipes already. All right, before you install it, make sure to get your brackets lined up. First one goes right here. And then the second one, just kind of eyeball it. Goes like that. We could adjust this forward and back anyways. Okay, slightly peel on both side corner. So it's ready to go. Right, get your 2 tapes ready. There's always a big gap right here compared to the one on the front. Make sure the front is nice and flush. All right, it looks good to me. Let's take all the tape out. Press it all the way in. There you go. It looks nice, guys. It looks fresh. It's like fit perfectly. All right, well, let's put that push pin retainer on that hole right there. Same thing on that side, and then the two on the back. Okay, so I'm gonna quickly show you that bracket. There's the bracket right there. Hopefully you can see that. I'm gonna put this trim tool, rest it like that, push it out so they will stay solid. While it's pushing it in, you grab your push pin retainer and slide it into the hole, and we'll lock it in place. Look at that. That looks nice. It's solid. All right, let's do the other side. Make sure the hole is lined up. There you go. Wow, look at that. It's pretty stiff in there. Looks nice. Just need a good clean and she's ready to go. Right, that's it. I'm just gonna do that one quick. It's the exact same thing as what I did here. Looks mint, guys. Looks sick. I went for the OE original one because I know that it fits nice and snug. There's no warp or bent. This is like about 250 bucks Canadian. Not bad. You can get a eBay or Amazon one for like 50 or 80 bucks, but it just feels good when you get the original, the right one. It just feels good. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like this kind of DIY accessories install on this Honda Civic. Update on this is gonna go back to body shop. When they put the glass windshield, they didn't put that molding here all the way across. I got the molding already. It's right there from Honda. So they're gonna install that, and after that we're gonna show you how to adjust the rear hatch. There's a big gap on the rear hatch. I'm gonna show you how to adjust this. And this one right here, a little bit of a gap right here as well. And I'll show you how to adjust the hood so that it looks nice and perfect. Big gap. That's it, guys. See you guys again in the next one. Thanks for watching.